to remove the bags off a Heritage Softail. Alright, first step we're going to do is we're going to remove the saddlebags. Now you may not necessarily need to do this, but for camera angles and stuff, it is necessary, and it is a lot easier to get your hand back in there once you take the bag off the Softail to get to the brake caliper. So, open your bags, take yourself a 1/2-inch wrench, preferably a ratcheting one, or a socket. You see these 2 bolts back here? We got this one there, and you got this one right there. Hopefully you can see that. So just lefty-loosey those off of there. Let your hardware fall into the bottom of the bag. It's an easy way to keep track of it. Let all the washers fall down in there. Then you can take your bag, pull it away. Oh crap. I forgot about this bolt down here. There is one more bolt you have to remove. So now, here in the front of the bag, right behind the passenger peg, there is this mount. And this also takes a 1/2-inch wrench. And this has like a locked-in stud on the back of it, so you only really need 1 wrench. So you can just lefty-loosey that nut off of there. Whoop. Grab onto your bag. There's the nut there. And there's a washer that was underneath the nut. And you can take the stud in the bracket right out of the back. It's got a carriage bolt on it that grabs the little bracket and stuff right there. The next step from there is simply lift your bag up off the motorcycle. Just like that. Put your bag in a safe, clean location. Then you can reinstall your saddlebags. So just slide the saddlebags in there until the studs line up. Fish your washers out of the bottom of the bag. And all your locking hardware. And get them all started on there. There's no real need to use thread lock or anything. Usually once these are tightened up, they're pretty good to go. It is a slight problem when you can't find the nut that you know you dropped in the bottom of the saddlebag. I know it's in here. Thread both of those on there. Just start them in there. Don't tighten them up yet. Because next you're going to want to go down here and put the stud in. We see that? Next you want to go down here, put the stud in, and put the washer on. Figure out what you did with the nut you took off of there. Put the stud in the back. Put the flat washer on it. Then take a nut and thread on there. This one has a nice locking nut on it, which is nice. If you want to buy one, nylon locking nut, if you don't have one, the thread would be 5/16 18. We're going to tighten this one up first. Go inside the bag. Tighten each one of these nuts up. Then, to be sure, we will torque each one of these to spec. Torque this one. And of course, the lower bracket down here. Right there.